Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to block accounts directly from their profile on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This guide covers the new update that makes managing unwanted interactions much simpler and faster. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once the site loads, log into your account if you haven't already. You'll see your homepage where your timeline appears. From here, you can search for the account you want to block or find it from your notifications, messages, or following list. Next, go to that person's profile page. When the profile opens, you'll see their name, username, and bio at the top, as well as their posts and media below. Look for the More icon on their profile. This is the three-dot symbol next to the message or follow button. Click it to open a small menu with several actions you can take regarding that account. From the menu that appears, select Block. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to block this user. Blocking an account prevents them from following you, messaging you, or interacting with your posts. They also won't see your tweets or activity while logged into that profile. To finalize the process, click Block again to confirm your choice. The page will refresh automatically, and you'll see a blocked label appear on their profile. That's how you know the block was successful. If you ever change your mind, you can return to their profile and click the blocked button to unblock them instantly. Blocking accounts is a quick way to control your experience on X and protect your space from unwanted content and interactions. With this new update, the process only takes a few seconds. Now you know exactly how to block any account from their profile on X using your PC. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on managing your account and privacy settings on social platforms.